We have all ready to start sending out our email campaigns, and now we are going to see how to do it in E-goi. Just mouse over the campaigns menu and click Create. Then select Email and choose your list. Select your campaign type, and for this case I'm going to choose Broadcast. And we can start from different options. We can choose an E-goi template, and here we can see the options that we have. We can start from our own templates that we will see here, okay? And then we can import our campaign from a web page or a zip file. In this case, I want to start from scratch and from a blank email. Then we need to give a name to our campaign. Okay, this is an example. And then select the editor. I'm going to click Builder, and I'm sure that you will love this editor. We are going to learn how to use it in the next class. Let's click and advance. And here you can see the options for this campaign. In this page you are going to define some important elements for your campaign, such as the sender, the subject, which is a very important element for your opening rate. If you click the advanced options, you will find the possibility to personalize your snippet, and actually it's better that you personalize it. So take your time to think about your snippet and your subject. You have some other options, some advanced options that you can select here, like integrate with Google Analytics or with the Track and Engage. Let contacts comment on this email via Facebook. And then you can define your thumbnail and the plain text version of this email. Okay, let's click Next. And here we have our email body. We can here just edit everything that we want, and we are going to see how to do it in the next class. But apart from the edition, we have some options here that we should know. You can see here the mobile version of the emails. You can save your email and finish later, or just save it as a template. And here you have a testing area. You can send a test, see a preview or an inbox preview, and do a campaign check. It's very important to send a test and check if it's everything okay, and for that we just need to add the email here. Okay, click plus and send a test. Then you will make sure that everything is okay before you send the campaign. Let's advance here. And here we are going to make the latest settings. We can decide to send this campaign now or just sending in a specific date. We have here the list that we just selected at the beginning, but if we want, we can just select another one, for example this one, and then choose a specific segment. I can send it to a single contact or select some segments, and for that I'm going to select this too. And we can finish selecting some of these options in case that makes sense, like posting this campaign to my Facebook business page, for example. Okay. And almost finishing, we are going to check if everything is okay. My list, my segments, I can see here the total estimated messages to send, and in case that I want to edit some of this information, I just have to click this editing pencil. I'm okay with that. And I'm going to check all the information before sending the campaign. And before we send it, we can choose to boost our campaign in E-goi Ads. In this case, I'm just going to send it like that. And here we have our campaign sending in progress. In this space, we can see all the actions that we have in progress, and we can access to it from this button here. Let's have a look at our campaigns. And here we have all the campaigns that we have just sent or the drafts that we have. Every single campaign is very well identified with each channel. You can see here the email campaign or an SMS or web push campaign. You can find here a direct access to the report of each campaign, and you'll find some options like access to the link, assign this campaign to a group, clone or delete the campaign. These are the options for this specific campaign, and you can select different campaigns and assign to a group or delete it. And from this page you will have access to your templates and the management of your groups. How does it work? Groups in E-goi are like folders. Let's create a new one. Okay. Perfect. And then I'm going to say that these 3 campaigns are related to the international group, the one that I have just created. Apply. So that I will have everything very well organized. How can I find those groups? I can use this search bar and then apply the filter of this specific group. This will be the international one. And here we have the campaigns of that group or folder. I can use some different filters, like the channel, for example, and I'm going to filter by SMS campaigns, and I will only see those kind of campaigns. I can filter by status, and I want to see only the drafts. And then you will find your campaigns in a very easy way.